What's the meaning of channel surf? Channel surf. Channel surf.
Channel surf. Channel surf. Channel surf refers to the act of quickly switching between multiple television channels in order to find something interesting to watch. This often involves using a remote control to rapidly flip through channels, spending only a few seconds on each one. The goal is to find a program or movie that is engaging and worth watching. Channel surfing can be a fun way to explore different types of content and discover new shows, but it can also be frustrating if nothing appealing is found.